welcome to Adventurous Hours. I am Vic, and today we're presenting one of my COVID-19 arts during this lockdown. And it all started with an empty wooden crate that I found outside on the street. Somebody had thrown it away. And inside the crate, it was empty, yes, and inside the crate there were two very nice wooden Dutch clocks, which I also painted. Now, my idea was first to make out of this crate a storage, but then seeing the aeration, it came to my mind to make it a nice place where I can store my summer shoes. So the first step was for me to paint the box first in white. That will be the complete background in white. And when that is done, then my idea was to paint a head of a cow on top of the lid.
Hello everyone! So that's the project of Victor. This box he's making is for his shoes, to store his shoes inside. He just got it outside, somebody threw it away, and then he painted it white. I'll show you later on the color of it before. And now he's trying to make this to be painted. What we're gonna paint, Vic? A cow. Oh, he's gonna make a drawing of the head of the cow. There you go. You can see it properly, but later on when he's finish it, he will make it. That's his project for today. That's it. And then you'll find something else next time after he finishes this. He will find some wood outside to paint it also. Now he started to paint the nose of the cow. In Tagalog, baka. No? Okay.
But it's not the baka.
What's the baka of? From? European baka? European cow. Ah, okay. So the color of the cow will be black and white. That's it. So since the pandemic is still going on because of this COVID, there's no work. Working only 7 times in a month, so making himself busy at home, which is very nice. What she said, he's doing his hobby and discovering some more hobbies that can keep busy at home. Yeah. Just think of something to paint when you're in the house, or you can just simply paint the house, you know, to keep busy. So that will be the front face of the cow. So if you can see, that's a sketch of it. Just look in the internet, online, how the cow looks like. So you can make it for your kids, do something, make them busy, not always in the iPad, not always in the computer, the telephone.
Other to the kids.
Yeah, that's why I thought that's good for the kids. So it's busy.
Not always on Facebook.
Not always Facebook, not always ordering online. So that's it. What else?
They can learn to cook.
They can learn to cook, right? Plant. They can plant also.
Oh yeah, I did. You can show the plants.
Yeah, we can show later on the plants. In the Philippines, they call it plantitos and plantitas if you play, if you plant something. But that is good for the, for the surroundings, good for the house, your indoor plants. Oh, what's that? The nose now? What a big nose.
Well, cows have
Nice.
big nose, right? Yeah.
Nice color. No?
They have big noses, the cows.
They have big nose, but where is the butas, the hole, the nose.
It's kind of big.
So now he finished that. While he's doing that, look at our baby. Baby, see ya. Are you cold? Yeah, it's too cold outside. It's like 2 degrees lang outside. So better stay in the house. But me, I'm gonna work later on. I'm going at around 4:30. So today it's like 10:51 in the morning. We just finished our breakfast. We're trying to fix this small room. That's what we call the hobby room. Hobby room, also working room.
We have to fix some of the big ones.
Yeah, we still have to fix the bedroom, but we have to fix the balcony first. That's a nice color. The Barbie color.
There are cows that have black nose.
Yeah. But this is the pink nose, so it looks good. Looks nice. Like a Barbie cow. So now, oh, that's cute, pig. So now he finished his mouth, the nose. Now he's trying to put the ears, na? And then you're gonna put the horn, and then that's it. Oh, that's nice.
I'm not professional, huh?
Professional. You can be professional. That's a home professional. So kids, yan. You can make your own
Cow.
Make your own cow. Yeah, that's nice. That's cute. And this is the lazy Sia. She has to go out, Vic. Where's this to?
Can you wait? I have to finish. I got this.
Alright, so later on you will see the complete face of the cow. Okay, that's almost done. Okay, that's the finished face of the cow. Her name is Koo. Yeah, that's. But Vic will still put the background, the blue background.
Probably next time.
Okay, next time he will do. There you go. He was almost finished with the heads. With his partner, Sia.
So welcome back after 2 weeks, and this is the wooden crate, the final touch as of now. This crate, when I got it outside, was just made out of wood. Then I painted it in white, and I started to paint the head of a cow. My first idea was to have the cow in the fields. But slowly, the more I painted, the more my ideas start to change. It happens frequently. So I painted the head of the cow, and then I started to paint the background, which is the sky. And then my idea was to paint fields with silos at the back and cornfields. But then slowly, it started to change in my mind. And it came out that I made it more simpler, as if the cow is at a fence, at a wooden fence. So I made a wooden fence. She's looking outside the fence and she's looking down, way down, because I continued and I put a haystack. So the cow is there eating the hay. Painted also some birds and some clouds. As I mentioned before, this is at the moment the final touch. Maybe I will put on the sides some other decorations. I'm not sure, I'm still thinking about it. Maybe an ear of corn. Also, at the back, I put some hinges. You can see them better here. I put some hinges, so it makes the opening of the crate more easier. Instead of lifting the lid completely, you can just balance it upwards. And down I have all my shoes for summer. And that is my piece of art in the times of COVID lockdown. So we should take advantage of these times to do something, because we all know that when we start to work, we have no time for anything. We always complain we have no time, which is true. And now that we have time, now we should not lose this precious time and do something about it. So the cow says moo. That means goodbye. Thank you very much for joining. See you soon in the next video. Until then, please take care of yourself, and don't forget, subscribe to Adventures Hours. Bye!